I forgot that I wrapped it when I got over here.
It's big. It's from a lot of people. You have the camera out. I'm feeling this one. Heck yeah. You told me to wait. Why? This is the worst. Oh my god. Come on.
What's this?
Wait, no. No.
You put his pen.
No.
How funny
I'm
he
doing it.
realizes it.
Please.
Just give him a file and don't.
He's fine.
That missed.
Are you sure you got the right size?
I think
That's
so.
what-
If it's too short, then I'll return it. If they're too short.
Just call it one. What's too short? My life after I die after this? Darn it, they cut me in the box. It's good. It's good. Nothing sliced. Well,
Merry Christmas.
You better open the box though.
Yeah, what if it's just like
you're like a
He's
shirt.
so
It's
fun
house
with Christmas
slippers.
on something. I say that.
That would be, I would die if it's just
The coat.
The bad thing, Mason, is Sawyer gets to break one of your controllers.
quit.
No, it's
I can
not.
see it, but I want to see you too.
No. Okay, then. Well, we can
Merry
break one of your
Christmas.
controllers and save it.
Granddad said
Merry
not to turn it off, it has
Christmas.
to go back for some reason.
Don't destroy the box.
If there's a problem with it.
Or you have to slice it. Just a little bit, huh?
You open this.
No, no, no.
Please. Please.
Merry Christmas.
Did it come with any games?
Merry Christmas, Mason.
Merry Christmas, Mason.
I'm freaking out. Merry Christmas. Yeah, okay.
It's like I'm